Hi there! So glad you made it back to Wednesdays at Lorts. Today, we're going to take a few minutes to talk about inspiration. What is it? Where does it come from? How can I get it? Well, whether you're an interior designer and you're responsible for creating gorgeous spaces for a living, or you just love looking at innovative and inspired works of art, join us weekly for what we call Fresh Off the Line Fridays. It's a weekly email that we send out to you that allows us to show off some of the best looking and most creative items that we've seen come off our finishing line that week. Some weeks we have items that, from start to finish, are custom. The ideas, the pitch of the seat back, the linear lines of the desk or table, the decorative details, the feet, are all someone's original ideas that have come to life thanks to our engineering team. And some weeks, because of our custom capabilities and dedicated craftsmen and engineers, we've had items that have started as a standard Lorts line item and morphed into a completely different and custom piece of furniture. Take, for instance, our 4189. It started out as a dresser, became a taller dresser, then transformed into an armoire. This simple, almost country-style dresser, which is our 1204, inspired the transition to this more sophisticated item. This small nightstand inspired this taller chest, and the singular banquette led to this corner banquette. And one of my favorites, an item that I have in my own home, is the 272 buffet. The details of this buffet can be seen in various stylized versions, all with their own dimensions, but it started with the same inspiration piece. So, to recap, inspiration is alive and well at Lorts Manufacturing. New ideas, existing ideas made even more exciting. And you can see it every week in our Fresh Off the Line Fridays email. Visit our website at www.lorts.com, scroll to the bottom of the homepage, and click on the button that says News Sign Up. Also on our homepage is a link to our most recent custom-made items. So if by chance you do miss a Fresh Off the Line email, or you want to go back and see something again, if it's recently made, it's probably on this page. Once you've had your fill of inspiration, give our customer service team a call, and they can help you get the ball rolling on your own design, your dimensions, your finish, and your details. Thanks for joining me. I hope you take time to be inspired today. See you next time.